careers are defined by the doors we choose to open. You might open a door to welding, business, nursing, mechatronics. Wait, mechatronics? What exactly is mechatronics? Mechatronics is the brain behind the machines. It's what the future runs on. Mechatronics technicians build, maintain, and improve thousands of things in thousands of industries. Things that move people, things that feed people, things that house people, things that heal people, things that keep people employed. Mechatronics is a door to infinite career opportunities. Opportunity that starts here. Don't just watch the future unfold. Be the one making it happen. Apply today at whatismechatronics.com.